I'm not here to hand you fake positivity or tell you you're perfect just the way you are. If you were truly satisfied with how you look and feel, you wouldn't be watching this right now. I'm here to give you the raw, uncomfortable truth about why you look worse than you could and what to actually do about it. It's not magic creams. It's not just be confident. It's habits, bad habits. And the sad thing? You probably do most of them every single day without realizing they're destroying your looks. So if you're ready to hear it without getting defensive, let's get into it. Bad habit number 1, calling yourself ugly. This is the root poison. When I was a teenager, I used to call myself ugly out loud. I believed it so much that it became my identity. Even if I tried building new habits, I'd quit after a week because deep down, I told myself, why bother? I'm just not one of those lucky, attractive people. But here's reality. I wasn't ugly. I was lazy and undisciplined. Think about it. If you're eating garbage, sleeping poorly, never moving your body, spending hours alone in your room, doing things you know drain your energy, what do you expect? To magically look good? Not happening. The first step is to stop branding yourself as ugly. Every time you say it, you make it more true in your own head. Replace that poison with effort. Bad habit number 2, being lazy and out of shape. No, you don't need a perfect six-pack. But if walking up a single flight of stairs leaves you gasping, that's not just being tired, that's neglect. When you're lazy with your health, you send a clear message to yourself and everyone else. You don't respect your body. And if you don't respect yourself, why should anyone else? Even light activity, walking, stretching, a few push-ups, dancing in your room, it builds energy, confidence, and discipline. That's attractive. Bad habit number 3, skipping basic hygiene. Listen carefully. Nothing kills attraction faster than poor hygiene. You could be the most beautiful person alive, but if you have greasy hair, yellow teeth, body odor, or dirty nails, game over. People notice, they won't say it, but they'll avoid you. The good news? Hygiene is the easiest thing to fix. Brush your teeth morning and night, shower daily, wash your face, keep your clothes clean, spray a little deodorant. That's it. Think of hygiene as maintenance, not extra effort. Just like you charge your phone daily, you need to recharge yourself daily. Bad habit number 4, touching your face. You probably don't even realize it, but you're touching your face 100 times a day, and all that dirt, oil, and bacteria from your hands go straight into your pores. Then you're sitting there like, why do I keep breaking out even though I bought half of Sephora's skincare aisle? Babe, this is why. Touching your face too much clogs your pores, makes pimples worse, and if you're popping them with your fingers, congratulations, you just gave yourself a scar that's not going away anytime soon. I used to sit in class with my chin resting on my hand for hours. Guess what? That side of my face was always covered in breakouts. The fix is awareness. Every time you catch your hand creeping up, pull it back down. Keep your hands busy, hold a pen, keep them in your pockets, whatever. It sounds silly, but it works. Bad habit number 5, eating like you hate yourself. Sugary snacks, greasy fast food, midnight binging. It doesn't just make you gain weight. It wrecks your skin, kills your energy, and speeds up aging. The problem isn't having pizza once in a while. The problem is mindlessly eating junk because you're bored, scrolling TikTok, or trying to numb your feelings. That's not hunger, that's punishment. So, use the 80-20 rule. Eat whole, real food 80% of the time. Enjoy treats 20%. When you treat food like fuel instead of a distraction, your skin clears, your body changes, and your energy comes back. Bad habit number 6, destroying your sleep. Sleep isn't optional, it's repair time. When you skip it, your skin, your mood, and your energy all rot and your brain slows down. You literally look older overnight. Dark circles, dull skin, foggy brain, bad mood, all from lack of sleep. When I finally disciplined myself to sleep 8 hours every night, my face changed. Dark circles faded, my skin looked alive, my energy was back. The secret isn't complicated. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even weekends. No glowing screens before bed. Read until you're tired. Stick to it for 1 week and watch the difference in your face. Your face will thank you. Bad habit number 7, dressing like you don't care. Style is not about brand names or expensive outfits. It's about effort. When your shirt is wrinkled, your sneakers are dirty, or your clothes don't fit right, you're silently telling the world, I didn't even try. And people believe you. You don't need a huge wardrobe, just clean, well-fitted clothes that show you respect yourself. Presentation matters. It's the first thing people see before they even know your personality. Number 8, nail biting. Listen, I know stress makes you chew your nails like they're a snack, but it's one of the ugliest habits ever. Your hands are the first thing people notice when you're holding your phone, paying at the counter, or literally just existing. And bitten nails with ragged cuticles, not cute. Plus, all the bacteria under your nails go straight into your mouth, which is just gross. And don't even get me started on how weak and uneven your nails look after. The fix? Keep them short and clean, or better, get a simple manicure. Even just clear polish makes you think twice before biting. And if you're really struggling, try bitter nail polish made to stop nail biting. It's nasty enough that you'll quit real quick. Number 9, too much caffeine. Coffee, matcha, energy drinks. They're not the problem. The problem is when you start treating them like water. 3 iced coffees and a Red Bull later, your sleep is wrecked, your skin is dull, and you wake up with puffy, dark circles that concealer can't save. And trust me, no skincare routine can fix what your caffeine addiction is doing behind the scenes. The fix? Keep it at 2 cups of coffee max and nothing after 2 p.m. That way, you still get your energy without trading your skin and sleep for it. Habit number 10, living like a vampire. If you sit inside all day, scrolling in the dark, your skin gets pale, your energy drops, your face looks tired. Humans need sunlight, not just for a tan, but for vitamin D. That affects your mood, hormones, skin, bones, sleep, literally everything. You don't have to roast in the sun. Go outside every single morning for 5 to 10 minutes. No headphones, no phone. Just walk, breathe, and let natural light hit your eyes. It sounds too simple, but it'll change your skin, your sleep, your mood, your energy. Habit number 11, being disrespectful. Looks fade fast if your attitude is trash. If you can't say please or thank you, if you're glued to your phone when someone's talking, if you treat people like they're invisible, you instantly look worse. Presence is attractive. Eye contact is attractive. Listening is attractive. Being in the moment is attractive. Fix it. When someone's with you, be there. Put the phone down, look at them, actually listen. It's rare now, and that's what makes it magnetic. And lastly, habit number 12, staying stressed all the time. Stress doesn't just live in your mind, it shows up on your face, in your posture, in your energy. When your body is always stressed, it pumps out cortisol, the hormone that kills collagen, makes your skin age faster, messes up your hormones, and wrecks your sleep. And most people try to deal with stress in the worst ways: binge eating, smoking, drinking, endless scrolling, or staying in toxic relationships. That just makes it worse. One simple thing helps. Pause and breathe. Inhale, hold for 2 seconds. Inhale a little more, then exhale fully. Do that for 2 minutes. It sounds too simple, but it literally tells your brain to calm down. Attractiveness isn't only about how you look or genetics. It's about the energy you carry, the way you treat yourself, and the way you show up. Drop the habits that drag you down, and you'll naturally glow with confidence, kindness, and presence. So here's your challenge. Pick just one ugly habit you know you're guilty of and fix it starting today, not tomorrow, not someday today. Do it for a week. Watch how much better you look, feel, and carry yourself. Because the truth is, no one falls for perfection. They fall for effort. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I've got way more glow up secrets coming your way.